Hello everybody and welcome to this IC Markets market commentary. My name is Chloe Edwards from Trade with Precision, and today I'm going to be doing a market analysis of the crude oils and looking for potential opportunities therein. So starting off here with WTI, I've got the monthly time frame up here just to show you that there's a really solid level of support at $77. We can see this level active as resistance from back in 2018 and indeed as support from all the way back in 2012, 2011. So it's a very solid and significant level of potential support here. And if we move up to the weekly time frame, we can actually see that price has recently bounced quite strongly from that level, reacted quite strongly from that level. And now not only that, but price is actually starting to put in a higher low in price action here on the weekly time frame, which is significant and suggests to me that price would be potentially able to surge forward further, perhaps even up to this next horizontal resistance level at around $95, which we can see has been support over here relatively recently. Over to the daily time frame, and this higher low in price action can actually be seen quite clearly, and it does look very much like price action is reversing at this point, and indeed heading up potentially towards this $95 level. Now, I wouldn't necessarily be looking for opportunities just yet on this daily time frame, because the moving averages that I have on my chart here, which are the 200, the 50, the 20 in blue and the 10 in black there, those moving averages are not actually nicely in alignment for any long setups at the moment. So what I would in fact do if I wanted to find opportunities here to the upside, given that I do believe it's possible that price could continue to move to the upside based on this weekly and daily price action, I would actually go down to a lower time frame. So for example, here on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see this surge to the upside, and perhaps I would be waiting for some kind of a pullback into those moving averages before then looking for another signal that price could be moving again to the upside, and that's where I would be looking for a potential long opportunity. This move to the upside could be partly driven by the respite in what has been the relentless dollar strength. So this move could continue to the upside for as long as that dollar is taking a breather from that relentless downtrend that it has caused in a lot of other tradable markets. I would also look down even lower to perhaps the hourly time frame, where I can see an uptrend already here. After having seen this area of consolidation, prices now broken to the upside. I do see higher lows and higher highs in price action. So again, it's just that patience to wait for price to pull back into the moving averages before looking for a long opportunity again. I'd like to also briefly discuss Brent crude, and very similarly, Brent crude has recently come down. We can see this on the monthly time frame to this significant horizontal level at around $86.50. It's been resistance from just last year. It's also been significant resistance from back in 2018 as well that we can see. So price has also recently just come down to test that level. And again, on the weekly time frame, we can now see that a higher low is in place with this move to the upside. Very similarly, on the daily time frame, we can see that higher low, and we can also see that as yet those moving averages are still moving sideways and are not really showing strength of an uptrend just yet. So it would be, again, moving down to those lower time frames to see if there can be a pullback in price. And I would like to keep an eye around this kind of 94.40 area, because that has been recent horizontal resistance as this price was gradually building towards the breakout to the upside. And so potentially price could come back down to around this area to retest and before moving off to the upside. So I am looking for long opportunities on both Brent crude and WTI. And again, with Brent, very similarly, there is a significant horizontal level just above price here at around $100, which we can see nicely on the daily time frame there. That $100 level is important because it is a psychological level for traders, and so it's likely that it could be a self-fulfilling level that traders could have already orders in the market once price reaches that area. And so I would expect potentially some reaction in that area. So any long trades that I had in place, I would potentially be looking to take profits by the time price reaches that $100 level. So those were the markets that I wanted to have a look at for you today. Hopefully that gives some ideas as to what to look out for in the coming days and even weeks. Until next time, thank you very much.